But last week, Abbeyshrule Airshow took place and Jerry Reynolds was there.
Flying to me is an expression like being a poet.
Now, is it an expensive pastime?
It can be. If you buy home builds, it's not so expensive because you can construct them yourself. You have a different set of rules to comply with. You don't have so much bureaucracy. And if you want to give up smoke, women and cigarettes, you can certainly do it for much less money than those three.
I started to fly in 1973. Started and got my license in 1975. And I started instructing in 1976.
And what is it about flying that attracts you? Is it an expensive hobby in the same way as motor car racing is, or sailing, or what?
No, it's not more expensive than any sport, I think. You take a half an hour a week even, it's only £22.50 for a half hour's flying.
And there was no shortage of people who wanted to fly at the Abbeyshrule Airshow last Sunday, as Celtic helicopters took them up and away. Well, international